Welcome back to the channel where we celebrate the world of plus size fashion, confidence, beauty and amazing style. Today we are stepping into a world filled with both fashion choice, strength, outfit and confidence. Women who know how to express themselves through style. This is both confidence and beauty, a celebration of African inspiration, style icon and the creativity they bring to the fashion world. From elegant dress to style, outfits and beautiful African inspiration, fashion, every looks brings something unique to the spotlight. Fashion is not about fitting into one particular standard. It is about finding style that makes you feel confident, comfortable and ready to express your personality. Across African fashion continues to grow and inspire people around the world. Designers, modern content creators and fashion lovers are combining traditional influential with modern trends to create exciting and unforgettable looks. From colorful prints and elegant fabrics to sophisticated growth and everyday fashion, African style is full of creativity and characters. The women featuring in this celebration shows that you can be bold with your style, elegant with your fashion and confidence in your own unique way. Every outfit can become an opportunity to express creativity. Every post can show personality and every appearance can inspire someone else to feel more confident about expressing our own style. Plus size fashion is also becoming an increasing important part of the fashion confidence, and more people are sharing different style with new looks and showing that fashion clothes can be creativity, elegant and bold and expensive. Whether you love glamorous evening dress, a stylish inspiration and sophisticated form looks or relaxation style, there is always room to discover what feels right for you. Icon bring energy, creativity and confidence to every looks. Some many choose bold and colorful design, while others prefer simple, elegant. Some lovers glamorous fashion that strong hits, while others shows that even and simple outfit can. African fashion is filled with incredible talent and inspiration, from the streets to major fashion events, from social media to creativity studio. New fashion ideas continue to enlarge every day. These influencers are helping to create a diversity fashion culture where different style and voice can be celebrated. To all the fashion lovers watching, remember that your personal style is yours to explore. Wear what makes you feel confident. Choose looks that express your personality and never be afraid to discover something new. If you enjoyed this video and love plus size fashion, coffee style, African inspiration, fashion, beauty, and to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more exciting fashion showcase. Thank you for watching.